elements of this is implementing clouds with this level of efficiency. I have just a few examples here where people are taking existing Unix workload and consolidating them at actually pretty remarkable rates. Now understand that one of these, the 1000 to 41, is a development style workload, but it's intensive development. But these are all mission critical workloads with no application changes. Now one of the side effects of this has been I've frightened all my salespeople, okay? Because they're seeing customers do these incredible consolidation ratios where they take an entire sea of systems and reduce them to a handful without any application changes and express them in the cloud. And so I do get regular mail asking me to please raise the price. I want to assure you that I have a spam filter on that mail because we're deadly serious about not just the performance but the efficiencies of our platform and allow you to tackle big problems as well as small problems effectively in your enterprise, and use these products also not in a standalone server mount, but also to build products like the Spark Supercluster. The basic idea here from an investment strategy is to invest in core technologies at the microprocessor level to attempt to outpace the competition. And so what we're driving for here is a 2x generation jump on succeeding platforms. We right now have 3 microprocessors in test, T5, M4, and M5, and we are on track for this kind of 2x jump. Now internally we kind of joke about this. You've heard of Moore's Law, of course, everyone has. We have this internal joke about Larry's Law, and he says, just double it. And we say, well, Larry, that's going to be pretty hard. And he actually looks at me like he's not listening and just says, well, just double it. So that's what we're working on. And it's a very high bar is to figure out how to double processor performance in succeeding generations and keep application compatibility. But that is, in fact, the track we're on. In there, what we're also doing is doing co-engineering with teams like the database team, the WebLogic team, the Java team, to add silicon acceleration specifically for enterprise applications. For example, allowing the memory controllers to act as a co-processor and actually offload the ability to scan large amounts of memory from the processor itself, which is a tremendous help to the database. Adding application data protection features for elimination of problems with memory corruption in large-scale memory arrays. We're integrating the decompression capability of the Oracle database so you can apply full OLTP massive transaction rates to a highly compressed OLTP database, all without any performance degradation, as well as improvements in how we handle low latency clusters and so on. And so all these developments are well on the way. Some of these shipping an enhanced T4 product today, but we're very excited about this as an overall direction. And together with the ability to take advantage of and use Intel's capability in the Intel ecosystem and our own ability to innovate in core features in the silicon, as well as develop operating systems on both of these chips, we have multiple tools at our disposal to either meet a customer where they're used to and comfortable running an application or a software environment, or have the capability to innovate in a place where we can't before. And we are the only company in the world that can take the application level knowledge and then go all the way to silicon and then deliver it completely as an engineered system. So finishing up here, best of breed servers and storage technologies with investment in IP to run the Oracle stack better, and then also expressed as engineered systems where we integrate hardware and software and network storage and server together, but we do this with an architectural system to get up to 50 times database acceleration, to get production in days instead of months, to give you a management infrastructure where I actually know what you have. And not only can I remediate you quickly, I can also even patch and help run your system without any level of extra effort. These all add up to a tremendous revolution that thousands of customers have adopted already today. Thank you very much for coming today.